Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 2 to 8, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. Libra, what's coming to you? Gratitude. Oh, you will feel grateful ngayong week na to. Parang mas ma-appreciate mo yung life. Oo. Mas ma-appreciate mo yung buhay mo ngayong week na to moving forward. Maaaring may mga blessings na dumarating sa'yo and yung parang napapatulala ka na lang at masasabi mo na, Lord, thank you sa blessings na to. I will also share the blessings to others. You have, kumbaga you will realize na, yes, marami kang challenges na pinagdaanan, pero sulit yon kasi meron siyang naging magandang resulta, no? Mga pinaghirapan mo. I also see na even yung mga smallest things, yung maliliit na bagay, ipagpapasalamat mo. Minsan kasi, parang hindi natin nakikita yung blessing natin kasi busy tayo sa pagkumpara ng sarili natin sa iba. Oo, minsan hindi naman naiwasan yan bakit si ganito, ganyan na experience niya, ako hindi. But actually, meron tayong unique na journey na kailangan nating bigyan ng focus. Kasi when we focus on ourselves, on our journey, marami tayong matutuklasan sa sarili natin. Okay? So, I feel like you are also realizing that number 7 is about wisdom. Sa numerology kasi 43 is number 7, which is learning, wisdom. So, marami ka nang na-realize about your life. 10th house, lalo na sa career ninyo, I feel like maraming opportunities na dumarating sa inyo. Having Libra here is something na you deserve. Alam mo na dine-deserve mo. Maring meron ding good news, no, na darating na mapapasabi ka na lang na thank you Lord sa blessing na to. Thank you Lord dahil magandang balita to para sa career ko, sa business ko. Okay? Let's see what else you have. Trees, community. So some of you are going to be more open sa pakikipag-connect sa ibang tao. Maaring magiging part ka ng isang community, whether this is online or offline or within your area. I also see you na maaring meron kayong, you will share your blessings, okay? Kasi communities like community service, sharing your blessings as part of your gratitude. Also have the 5th house, Moon in Cancer. Moon in Cancer, wow, very emotional. Oo. Maaring you are, if you are single, possible na meron kang makilala within the community na you will feel drawn to, na parang feeling mo meron kayong connection, no? A very strong connection with this person na pwedeng mag-lead sa romantic relationship. Pwede ring friendship, mas malalim na friendship. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng you will also spend more time with your kids kung meron na kayong anak. And also creative ideas, pwedeng meron kayong mga i-share na talento nyo, skills ninyo sa iba. Like for example na lang si Carlos Yulo, sabi niya magtatayo siya ng clinic for gymnastics. So yun yung expertise niya, yung galing niya, yung talents niya. So i-share niya yun sa iba para mas marami pang ma-develop na talents kagaya niya. You also have 25, emotion, water energy. Maaring you will be more sensitive sa nararamdaman mo. May mga pagkakataon kasi na tinatakasan natin yung emosyon natin kasi we don't like drama or we don't like to be in an awkward situation na may iyakan or what. But for some of you, you will honor your emotion. Okay? Ano may nararamdaman mo, yung feelings mo, you will honor that. You also have a sun in Cancer in the second house. Okay, some of you, maaring ang career path ninyo or yung trabaho ninyo or yung source of income ninyo is related to arts, related to music, na may kasamang emotion, no? Pwedeng nasa social media, pwede rin namang you are like an actor or an actress. Ayan, na pwede mo ring i-monetize, 'di ba? Yung mga gumagawa ng skits sa TikTok, ganyan, or gumagawa ng videos, parang may production, oo. Yan. So, pwedeng you will be more engaged sa ganyang klaseng uh, work or industry. Let's see your overall energy. Wow, you have the sun. O, di ba? Very creative talaga kayo. You will tap into your talents, your skill set. I also see that there's a meron kang susubukang bagong, let's say bagong trabaho or bagong business or career path na kung saan mas magagamit mo yung talento mo, yung knowledge mo, yung skills mo. And I also see fame. Meron ditong magiging sikat, magvo-viral if you are into social media, meron kang platform. Um, Meron ding admiration for some of you. Mm-mm. And then, this is your challenge, Oracle of Wands. Maaaring may mga pagkakataon na nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo. Or parang kina-question mo kung magaling ka ba talaga or worth it ka ba talaga to become famous or dinideserve mo ba talaga yung blessings na meron ka. May mga ganong pagkakataon. So, don't be too hard on yourself. Of course, dinideserve mo yan kasi you have worked hard for that. Okay? Some of you naman, meron kayong, pwedeng may travel kayo ngayong week na to, na pwedeng maging challenging kasi pwedeng magkaroon ng delays. But, lagi nyo lang isipin na pag may delays or nagkakaaberya sa travel, it's for your protection. Your opportunity, the Four of Swords, healing. You are healing from a painful experience in the past, lalo na kung nagkaroon ng betrayal or disappointment sa isang situation or sa isang relationship. This is also an opportunity for you na magpahinga, oo, to travel. Siguro part ng travel ninyo is vacation talaga, kaya kayo magta-travel for vacation, for leisure, para makapag-rest. Your blessing is the Oracle of Swords. So, I feel like as a blessing, no, this is your element, no, air sign. I think as a blessing, yung knowledge mo, yun yung magdadala sa'yo sa success. Yung kaalaman mo, yung expertise mo, whatever you are expert, kung saan ka man expert. Let's say expert ka sa baking, expert ka sa content creation, expert ka sa anything related to spirituality or whatever, anumang yung industriya na kinabibilangan mo. I see that you're going to be more blessed with knowledge through your experiences. At that way, no, mas magiging madali para sa'yo na makapag-desisyon kung anong path ang tatahakin mo. So, money, career, finances, you have the Champion of Pentacles. Wow. So, this is about stability in your finances. Pwedeng meron kang mga collaborative na projects na may nag-o-offer sa'yo, sponsorship, ganyan, collaboration, wherein you will also gain extra income. So, this is number 12 and number 3, no, sa numerology, which is about expansion. So, pwedeng merong pag-unlad pagdating sa iyong trabaho, sa iyong career, sa iyong business. Mas dumadami yung branches or products or services na meron ka. Your love life, the High Priestess. So, pagdating sa love life, magiging maingat ka sa pagpili ng karelasyon. No? You want to be really connected spiritually with the person before you get into a relationship. And if you are already in a relationship naman, I think, yung hindi ka, parang hindi mo ibubuhos ng 100% sa relationship, magtitira ka para sa sarili mo. Kasi minsan, di ba, yung iba, sobrang buhos sa relationship. Tapos pag hindi nag-workout yung relationship, parang walang natira sa kanila. So, nagsastruggle talaga sila na makapag-move on at makapagsimula. So, for you, yung iba sa inyo, secure kayo sa relationship ninyo. But if you are single, maaring you are also careful in choosing a partner. Grounding. O, ayan. Ground your energies and emotions deep into the earth. See, meron kayong pamamaraan para mag-release ng inyong emotions, ng energies ninyo. You may become very creative, no, as your outlet to express yourself. Oo. And grounding energies is also releasing that. Marami kang mga susubukang activities para makapag-release ng negative energies. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.